I hope you all are well at your home. Today our topic is Reader chapter 6, The Trickiest Man. I hope you will like this interesting story. Once there was a king who considered himself to be the trickiest man in the world. Once upon a time there was a king, he think he is most clever person in the world. But he often thought, is it possible? Am I really the trickiest man? There might be someone trickier than me. He think maybe there is someone other who is more clever than him. Finally, he decided to trace the trickiest man in the world. He decided to find out that clever man. Meaning of trace. Meaning of trace is find out. Find out. He called his ministers and ordered, go and find the trickiest man in the world and bring him to my court. He asked his ministers to go and find that clever man and bring him to his court. We will play tricks on each other. He said that they both of them will play trick with each other. If he loses, he must be my slave. He said that if that person loses, he will be my slave for the whole life. The ministers visited many parts of the world and met several clever men. These clever men refused to face the king. None of them wanted to be a slave. So the ministers met so many people, but they all refused to come to the king's court to become a slave. The ministers got very worried. Now the ministers were in the tension because they got the duty to find the clever man. One day they were passing through a village. One day the courtiers, the ministers were passing through a village. The people of the village were very poor. The people of that village was very poor. They were poor because the king owned the land and the rich forest around the land. The villagers were poor. Why? Because the king owned their land. The villagers invited the ministers to have dinner with them. By heart, the villagers were very good, very kind. So they invite the ministers to come to their home for the dinner. Although the villagers were poor, they knew how to act like as though they were rich. The ministers observed that a man named Shah Crow was very clever at asking riddles and puzzles. Now, their ministers find out that one person was there whose name was Shah Crow. He was very clever. He was asking riddles and puzzles from others. The ministers requested Shah Crow to go with them to the king's court. Now they requested Shah Crow to please come to the king's court. Shah Crow agreed to go to the king's court, but said, I will come without my coat and hat. Now Shah Crow said, okay, I will come to the king court, but I will not bring my coat and hat with me. Shah Crow was presented before the king. Try and play a trick on me, the king ordered. But remember that it must not be an easy one. Now Shah Crow was presented in front of the king. Now the king is ordering that play one trick on me and it should not be the easy one. I know, your majesty, said Shah Crow. I left in such hurry that I did not bring my bag of tools. Meaning of hurry is move quickly. Meaning of hurry is move quickly. Now he said that I moved very quickly that I forgot to bring my bag of tools. What tools? Asked the king. Now king surprised that you are talking about which tools? The tools I often use to play tricks on people. He said that I use tools to play tricks on people, replied Shah Crow. Then go and bring them, the king ordered. King ordered that go and bring those tools then. It is not so easy. It will take at least 6 months to collect the tools. Now the Shah Crow is very clever person. He said that it needs 6 months to collect the tools. Then I will need 100 camels and 100 horses to carry them. See, the Shakro was so clever. He said that he need 100 camels and 100 horses to carry the tools. Take as many animals as you need, said the king, but come back right here. See, the king was so foolish. He tried to become so trickiest person, but he was very very foolish person. He said that, okay, you can take 100 camels and 100 horses with you. Shakro went back to his village. Now Shakro went back to his village with the camels and horses. Shakro had brought the villagers plowed the land and soon grew good crop to feed them for many years. Now Shakro owned his own land and he asked the villagers to grow good crops. Now see, he was such a clever person. Shakru then collected a lot of sacks. Meaning of sack, beta? Sack. Sack is a jute bag. Jute bag. And filled them with air. Now he took a sack, a jute bag with him full of air. He loaded the animals with them and went back to the king's court. Now he went back to the king's court after 6 months. The king received him with warm hand. Now he came to king's court and king is receiving him with warm hands. Let us start. Dear children, we'll do our remaining chapter in our next lecture. Thank you. I hope you are understanding the story.